What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Chris here at Collavella South Farm. Well, guys, we continued working in the main field, just like we were in the last video, clearing debris and grading it and, trying to make it nice. And we actually have a repair to make on the grapple. Again, I know, shocking. So this is our brush grapple. You've seen it in quite a few videos now. This was a very inexpensive off-brand grapple that I bought several years ago, and it's really earned its keep. I have had to weld repair it several times, but it's been pretty good. But we do have some cracking going on. So watch out, Molly. I don't know how well you can see down in here, but right in the center of the grapple, we're getting some stress cracks where this is basically the section when we pick up a big load, it flexes a lot, because the hydraulic rams are on the two corners. So when you pick up a big load of stuff, it tends to flex that pipe. Well, we're getting some stress cracking right there in the center, just from, hours and hours of use and it flexing in that same spot over and over again. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna weld up those cracks, and then I have a piece of flat bar here. We're gonna cut a couple pieces of flat bar and actually gusset it on both sides to try to strengthen it up some so we don't have the same problem. We'll probably do it on all three of the inner sections here, because that's where you get the most flex. So, a little wrenching, little repairing today, guys. But I figured, this is a big part of working on the farm is, you do a lot of work and then you actually have time to repair stuff. We took an hour yesterday, went through the John Deere, did all of our greasing, cleaned filters, cleaned all of the screens, got everything said and done, ready to go, because with all the dust and the pollen in the air, it was getting pretty dirty. So anyway, guys, we're gonna get the welder out and we're gonna clean this up and we're gonna weld it up. All right, guys, so we got it all ground up, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna weld the pipe pieces here first. Then we'll put the strongbacks on. Then I'll disconnect the hydraulic cylinders. I'll lift up the grapple as best I can, put a block under it, and then we'll weld the backside where the pipes are cracked. So that's the plan for this. We are gonna weld it using our Miller Multimatic 200. We've had this welder for, I've probably had this welder now for 8 or 10 years. It's been great. It does MIG, TIG, and stick welding. So we're gonna use the MIG welding function. I like stick welding a lot too. That's what I do at work, but this machine's been awesome. It's 110 or 220. We also have a Hobart Stickmate 160, but we don't have 220 out to our shop yet. That was one of our things for our goals for this year, was to get 220 run out here. We have yet to do it. So we're going to use the Multimatic here, do a little MIG welding and get this all welded up. So I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse so you can kind of see the whole process. All right, guys, so we got her all welded up. Not the prettiest welds, but it should hold. So we got the 3 strong backs on, and we got the pipe all welded up on top and bottom. We should be good. We should be all set to go ahead tomorrow and clean up some more of the main field up there. You know, I figured I'd show you guys this little repair video because I'm always talking about repairing stuff, but I don't often show it. But it's a big part of fireman is fixing and wrenching, you know, because stuff breaks and stuff gets old, and it's all part of it. So anyway, guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. And like I like to say, if you like these videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. And just remember, it'll be all right.